Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you, our honorable chief guest, the greatest showman of this country, writer, painter, actor, director, Mr. Anwar Maqsood. We should have a big hand for Anwar Maqsood sir. He is a true artist. And our diplomatic fraternity, thank you so much. Consul General Japan, Consul General Iraq, Deputy Consul General Thailand, and my friend, the Vice Chancellor of Ziauddin University, Dr. Muhammad Ali Sheikh, and our closest partner, Director Goethe, Andrea. We are not happy that he is leaving, but somebody else is coming, and he assured us that he is equally good. But we are very concerned because he's coming from America. That is a point of concern for us. And our very dear friend and very dynamic Director Alliance, thank you so much, sir. They are our permanent partner in all the international collaborations we are doing. And one collaboration we are doing on 16th of this month, May, a tango, film on tango and performance. So if anybody wants to dance, they can come here and dance. Secretary Arts Council, Ijaz Farooqi Saab, great Ghazi Salahuddin Saab, our faculty heads, which I am proud of all of them, Khalid Ahmed Saab, Shahid Rassam Saab, Mani Chao Saab, and Hassan Bari, and Muhammad Ali Saab, Zishan, Awais, and Shahid from music, Imad, and everybody. So, now I'll speak in Urdu for my kid and my media. तो बात यह है जैसे हसन बारी ने बताया मोहम्मद अली अपना महमूद अली खान साहब हैं बैठे हुए यहाँ हाँ खचा बात आगे आके बैठे हमने म्यूजिक एकेडमी एक आदमी से शुरू की थी आपको पता है महमूद अली खान साहब और आज हमारे पास 35-40 की फैकल्टी फाइन आर्ट का बंद स्कूल वी टर्न अराउंड a close institution to the most vibrant institution of this country where we produce the best talent in our fine art schools, better than any other so-called premium schools. Credit goes to Shahid Assam and all of the faculties. Likewise, the music, Mahmood Ali Khan Sahib started, but we have more than 35-40 teachers, and it's a new era and new challenges. You know, even music is keep changing after this AI and digital intervention. So we are trying to prepare ourselves that we should not obsolete with this, all this which is happening in the world all around. Or, हाँ Shani तू भी, you are also very good. Azeb, Mozi, Sunny, you all are very good. In the last of you, and तुम भी, Utman साहब, जिसमें मेरी नजर पड़ रही है, all of you, it was a very dedicated task that we transform our almost dormant body to most vibrant body. But इसकी सबसे ज़्यादा जो energy है, जो असल रूह है, वो हैं हमारे students. So heads off to you, all of you who are graduating today. और तुम लोग अभी 3 दिन, we are doing the Arts Alumni Festival, 3 days from today, 8, 9 and 10, and they will showcase their talent there. So wish you all of you good luck. और मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं कि जैसे अभी एलुमनाइज के लिए रेगुलर थिएटर शुरू हो गया है, इसी तरह से फाइन आर्ट डिपार्टमेंट में भी हमारे एलुमनाइज की एग्जीबिशन सारे पाकिस्तान में हो रही हैं और बाहर भी हो रही हैं. सो आप लोगों को you people we will give you the opportunity, all the stages of Arts Council, studios, all the facilities will be available to showcase your talent, to nurture your talent. तो तुम सबके सब we will still connected और ये रहेगा। So मैं तुम लोगों को भी मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को भी मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि ऐसे हालात में कि जब नॉर्मली पेरेंट्स ये चाहते हैं कि उनको उनके बच्चे या आईटी में जाएं या इंजीनियर डॉक्टर कोई ऐसा कोई, उस बीच में इट्स अ रेवोल्यूशन। और ये बड़ी हिम्मत की बात है कि यू चोज म्यूजिक और आर्ट और डांस और थिएटर, ये सारा कुछ। a society like Pakistan, nobody can guarantee you your future economically, but you are the bravest people on earth, and I'll assure you that we will try to place you in the market, in the society, wherever you want to go and do your work. Thank you so much, all of you.